What's going on, it's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. Now in today's video I shall be unboxing the entry 2020 27-inch 5K iMac. Now of course the full specification for this machine that I'm unboxing in this video can be found in the video description, and as always I will be uploading separate videos in which I'll be comparing all of the 2020 iMac models, so if you are yet to do so then be sure to subscribe clicking the bell icon to be notified of when those videos go live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the specification of this particular machine that I am unboxing in today's video. So this machine has a 3.1 GHz 6-core 10th generation i5 processor which can turbo boost up to 4.5 GHz. Unfortunately, it still comes with 8 GB of 2666 MHz DDR4 memory, which luckily enough for ourselves can be upgraded to support 128 gigs of RAM. Also, we finally get SSD based storage, but unfortunately it starts off at 256 GB, which is the exact same as my current iPhone. I will leave the full spec of this particular machine down below in the video description, along with links to where you can purchase them for the cheapest prices currently available. But enough about that, let's crack open the box and see what actually comes included. So opening up the box, we can see that the iMac is wrapped in polystyrene, and opening up the upper lid we can see that there is an enclosed additional box which states designed by Apple in California. And opening up this box we get to see the included accessories. Now the first of these is your Magic Keyboard 2. Now this keyboard is the exact same that Apple have been shipping out for a number of years now, which charges up using the Lightning port. Talk about the Lightning port, we still get the same Magic Mouse 2 which has the charging port on the bottom of the mouse, so no change there really with the accessories. And as you'd expect, these two accessories charge using the Lightning port, so included is a USB-A to Lightning charge and sync cable. Now this can be used of course to charge up an iPhone, an iPad, or even your AirPods. And finally there's a little envelope with a pull tab, and opening up this you'll find a quick start guide which gives you a general overview on the ports on the back of the iMac, along with how to quickly set it up, along with health and safety information, details on your 1-year Apple limited warranty, 2 plain white Apple stickers, along with a cleaning cloth to clean the large 5K screen. Removing the iMac from its box and the protective polystyrene, we can see the outline of the iMac and its general design, but once again the iMac is wrapped twice in packaging to further protect the glass display, though it really doesn't take long for it to get dirty. So is there anything else you would like to see tested on this machine? Any particular games that you would like to see ran on it? Leave your suggestions down below in the comment section. And as we've had for around 3 years now, you get the exact same port selection. You now get a gigabit Ethernet port, which of course can be upgraded through the configurator to a 10 gigabit Ethernet port, along with 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports, 4 USB 3.0 ports in the shape of USB-A, which is also followed up by an SD card slot and a headphone jack. Also, as I mentioned earlier, you can upgrade the RAM on this machine from the measly 8 GB that Apple give you all the way up to 128 GB. So that's all that comes with these particular iMac models. If you do want to see any more of these, then be sure to subscribe clicking the bell icon to be notified of when I upload those videos. But if you have got any suggestions for anything you want to see, then like I said, leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively hit me up on my social media. As I say, links are always found down below in the video description. But thank you very much for watching today's video, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.